Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix Cloudflare Verify You Are Human. If you've ever encountered that pesky Cloudflare prompt asking you to verify if you're a human, you know it can be both confusing and slightly annoying. This issue often arises unexpectedly while you're browsing, and it can become a real hurdle when you're trying to access your favorite websites. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through a simple and effective solution to tackle this problem. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to fix this issue and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. Now, let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow to resolve this verification problem. Our approach involves clearing your browser's cache and cookies, which is often the key to eliminating these kinds of errors. Let's start by opening Google Chrome, one of the most commonly used web browsers. Once you have Chrome open, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu. To do this, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You should see 3 vertical dots arranged in a column. Click on these dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find the option labeled Settings and select it. Clicking this will open a new tab, presenting you with a multitude of options to tailor your browsing experience. For this tutorial, our focus will be on the section marked Privacy and Security. This section is critical because it influences how your browser manages interactions with various websites, including how it handles data stored by these sites. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, you need to look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a new set of options. Here, it's essential to ensure that we're clearing the right types of data to address the Cloudflare verification issue effectively. You should make sure that cookies and other site data is selected. This step is crucial as it removes old or corrupted cookies that might be causing the verification problem. Similarly, you need to select cached images and files. Clearing this data will remove temporary copies of web pages, which might be outdated and causing display or functionality issues. With these selections in place, you're almost ready to clear the data. But before you do, consider the time range you want to clear. For a thorough reset, it's best to choose all time. After making your selection, go ahead and click the Clear Data button. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, it's a good idea to restart your Chrome browser. Simply close it and then open it again. Restarting ensures that all recent changes are applied properly, without any leftover data from your previous browsing session. Try revisiting the website that initially prompted the Cloudflare verification request. With a bit of luck, this method will resolve the problem, allowing you to continue browsing without any further disruptions. However, if the issue persists, it might be worth checking your internet connection or considering other potential causes. Clearing cache and cookies is a reliable fix for a wide range of browser-related issues, not just this one. And there you have it, a straightforward method to tackle those frustrating human verification prompts from Cloudflare when using Chrome. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to fix Cloudflare Verify You Are Human. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online